Karnataka Chief Minister Yediyurappa has clarified that there will be no lockdown in Karnataka. Yediyurappa said, and I quote, "There is no question of lockdown in the state. The protocol will have to be followed. So far, we have not decided on anything. We will discuss with the opposition party leaders on 18th, and then only we will take a decision," unquote. So Yediyurappa going out there and clarifying that there is going to be no lockdown right there in the state of Karnataka. I'm going to take this straight across to Nolan Pinto. Nolan, what is the reasoning given for this particular decision? Are the healthcare facilities all right? Are there beds available that the state does not need to go for a lockdown or even some partial restrictions at the moment?
Well, in fact, the state already has partial restrictions. 6 to 7 districts, we have what is known as the Corona curfew from 10 to 5. But that is clearly not making an impact, especially in Bengaluru, wherein Bengaluru has about or is registering 75 to 80% of the cases on a daily basis. Now, when we asked that question to the Chief Minister, he said that on the 18th at 4 o'clock, he will have a meeting with all the opposition leaders. You're talking about former CM Siddaramaiah and also former CM H.D. Kumaraswamy along with DK. He says that he will take their suggestions as well as to what needs to be done. In fact, many health experts have actually requested in various different forums that the government should take stringent measures, especially for Bengaluru city, considering the fact that 75 to 80% of the cases registered is from this particular city. But the CM is still non-committal. He says that only after the meeting on 18th will a decision be taken.
Right, leave it at that. Nolan Pinto getting us all the latest details on this story. The Karnataka will not be going through a lockdown at this point of time.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.